Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Martin Luther King Jr. surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Martin Luther King Jr. surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to start by lining up the corners of my paper and give it a nice fold, just like this. Next, I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a nice surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here and I'll make a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'll make another circle for an eye right over here. Next, I'm going to draw a smaller circle inside each eye for the pupils. And then I'll put an even smaller circle in here. And when I color it in, I'll leave that really small circle white. So it looks like there's a little reflection inside the eye. Next, I'm going to draw the nose. Now, to make the nose, we're just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and it's going to come down and around. Then we want to make a mustache. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come out here and down. And same thing here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come out and then down. Then I'm going to draw a line across, just like this. Next, let's just go ahead and color in the mustache real quick. We'll just fill in the whole thing. Now the next step is to draw the eyebrows. So let's just make a line that's just going to curve right above each eye. Then we'll make a little line that's going to come up and down on each side for the eyebrows. Next, let's go ahead and color in the eyebrows with our marker. So we'll just fill in each one. Now let's draw the hair. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to curve up here, it's going to come down a little bit, back up, and then I'll bring it right down here. For the ears, I'm going to draw lines just going to curve out and in. And same thing here, out and then in. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to come over and then down here. Now, starting here underneath the fold, let's draw a line that's just going to come down and back up here. And then we'll make a little line right here. It's going to look like a smile, but eventually it's going to turn into the chin. Now let's make his tie. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down and up. And then we'll make a line that comes down on each side. Next, I'm going to bring a line in on each side. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes out and in, out, and then down. Watch me do that again. I'll go out and in, out, and then down. Now for his shoulders, let's draw a line that comes out and straight down. And same thing here. We're going to go out and straight down. Right here, I'll draw a line that's just going to come straight down. And then over here, I'm going to make the arm. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve up. It's going to come down. And I'll bring it back here. And then I'll draw a little line right here. Now for his hand, let's draw a line that's going to curve up and down. And then I'm going to come out here and I'll draw 4 bumps. I'll make 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'll bring it back. And then I'll draw a little curved line here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have our top half and our bottom half. First thing I want to do is, starting up here, I'm going to bring this line down a little bit on each side. And then I'll bring this line up a little bit on each side. Now, starting here underneath the fold, let's go ahead and draw a nice big smiley face. And I'll put a little line on the end of each one. Then I'm just going to bring this line down a little bit. And then down here, I'm going to make a nice big smiley face. Now, starting here, I'm going to make some teeth. So I'm just going to make some little bumps right across here for some teeth. And then same thing here. I'm just going to make some little bumps right across here for some teeth. And then right here, I'm going to make a tongue. So we'll just draw a line that's just going to go up and down, and then up and down. Now, right inside of here, we want to say the words, "I have a dream." So I'm going to just write this out. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm just going to write the letter I. Then I'm going to write the word have. So we'll just make our H, our A, our V, and our E. And then we're going to put our A over here for I have a. Next, inside of here, we're going to write dream in bold letters so it really stands out. So I'm going to start by making a big letter D right in here. Then I'm going to make the R right next to it. I'm going to put the E in here. Then we'll go with the A. And then we'll put the M right in here. Just like that. Next, I'm going to put this in kind of more of like a bubbly kind of letter. So it almost kind of looks like a dream bubble. So I'm going to put this in just a big bumpy shape. Just like this. And then I'm going to just draw these lines down and these lines up. And then I'm going to connect these lines right here. We just want to bring them down to the bubble and connect them here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Martin Luther King Jr. surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have him standing there smiling. And then when we open it, he is saying his famous line, "I have a dream." I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.